O lungay ban, inakmuan di buwan, mait maka kumaman ken sika ay san matam ay kaman bulinawan uray diak mangmangan siuray kaat na ay buwan nuwada ka kayet ay ilan ay si inagaw ya binuwan layat ko ay ewa gasing ko ay maipatenggana tauray no mangpusnan batawa ay san layat ko naigalay kensik lungay ban o lungay ban inakmuan di buwan mait maka kumaman kensik ay san matam ay kaman bulinawan ulungay ban sik ay kapintasan ay inianak da bangan kenggatan siya di agyo day ako
yaman launay sir sila na ay panangharanam kung na ko abin na wala sina so nga talaga ay asenso okay yan
So, abay ako nga ron sinana sumarugok. We are honored to have our very own Mayor, Honorable Randolph T. Awisan, to share a meaningful message about the importance of this activity. Sir.
To our guest of honor and speaker, Ma'am Dr. Charisma Grace Gilip Lodayan, Dean of the School of Criminal Justice and Public Safety in the University of Baguio. For information, some guest ako duanikat my first cousin. To the different national line agencies present today, the participants from the different barangays, municipal officials, municipal employees, most especially to the women's today. To our provincial director of the DTI, Ma'am Banggawan, thank you for coming. Tais na ay celebrate mo na Women's Day. Isna na kakadwa at Luis Hora. Ito pa dati. Yeah. And of course, our friend from .RC. Isnan partner tako, isnan peace in order. All the PNP. Thank you very much for coming. Agyo-agyo ay agsapa to come in. Agyo ay agaw di bababae. It is an honor to stand before you as we celebrate the power, resilience, and unwavering spirit of women across our nation. This National Women's Day, Women's Month 2025, this year we come together under the theme Babae sa lahat ng sektor, aangat ng ang bukas sa bagong Pilipinas. Nantima at ipanakil na sa kabailan kabailan nyo ay bababae. Ipaila na sa roles, the women is nan na duma-duma ay sektor di ilit ako. Wadada is nan education, healthcare, business, government, yaada-adupay. Women have always been the backbone of our communities. But today, we are reminded that our work is far from over. You see, nan babae at leaders, kanagkan anti ay idna. Kanag san case tako duani ay babae is nan field ay kanan tako ay panglalaki. She is in a field that is dominated by men. It is also our pride that women from Bauco become or are still regional director in some government agencies. Our regional director from the DOST, taga Bauco. From the Department of Agriculture, she is from Tadjan. The DSWD, asawan di Bauco. In an adupay ay opisina. Dahil ako ay lalaki, we must realize that we live in time where women are taking their rightful place in many sectors. Isang munisipyo tako at adusan na department heads, section heads ay bababae. Uray na sinusanrol na like being an advocate of justice, being a businesswoman, a mother, a healthcare champion, o public servant. Women contribute greatly in our community. Very clear, we cannot realize the brighter future without the active and full participation of women in the society. San kanan president ay bagong Pilipinas at mangipugaw si empowerment di amin ay sektor. Agraman san sektor di babae. Let us continue to break down the barriers, create opportunities, and build a world where every woman, regardless of her background, has the power to reach her fullest potential. Let their contributions are recognized, celebrated, and supported. Isungata kayo ba? We are here, is nothing of you. Ay mangipaila is nang suportari. So, to my fellow mob, men's against violation to women. Yeah. So nga na kami ay lalaki, so suportaran mi is na against kami is nan violation ay para kanda kayo ay bababae. Ipalagip naman lang san may success, may partner in success. Kay kananda da kayo kanoy bababae kat behind ng success nan lalaki. I remember my partner in life. Itiwada kami. Basta Women's Day, kanang iman kun bakit ko is just sit down and wait your phone. Kanang iman. Sakan nan mismo ay mun auto. Kada da kami mutan in my family nan anak ko upat ay lalaki. Isu nga kanan mi kun inada. Just sit down. Da kami sa manlaba for the whole day. Sanrigat na, pabalun na amin ay ulas. At anusan mi ay manglaba. That's the way I respect women. Isu nga dahil tako ay lalaki, kapunta agaw ni bababae udwan patutok doon tako na ida. Isu nga dahil tako ay lalaki na man-serve si kanundas awni. So antiid na, just sit down and with your food by and by. Kasyadi, yayaman, Happy Women's Month, Asinso, bababae, Asinso, Bauco. Thank you very much.
Ayan, salamat sir iti mensahe.
Alam ito duwani, ang takwa bubuyaan niya denggan ng presentation na insagaran ni Mani Drug Abuse in Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. Alat palakpakan tako na iman. Baka kurang ka kasi ng palakpak tako, kasing-kasing! Ayan, so from the Drug Abuse Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. Ma'am, sirs,
Ay wada daw no nanbabawi da. Ay okay. So,
Siya ka, no?
kamait ka no.
ay wada, okay na yung
Ana,
wada.
oy.
Yan. Sarang karanta ko di, yeah. Women empowerment yung lalaki ng wadat sinaduami. Tasay, kanta na karoon ng bababait ako, okay.
Alata i-bluetooth na pailaeng na ikanta na inay.
Tarain sa kasaganaan pa iman.
Save big on hotels, flights, and activities with the Agoda app. Download the app now.
Get a glimpse of what's trending now.
Panag-intro na inya.
Your trusted travel
Okay, palakpakan ta ko motibo na. Okay.
Ay, basta siya, mabaling nga sa bayandak dito yung kanta.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, when I lay sleeping, I dream I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. So I hid my head and cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much, sir. Once again, palakpakan ako, Apo. Yan.
Lagpay supiman diay. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
Gumadwa rin tayo. Aduda are. You are our sunshine. Okay. Yan. So, thank you so much, sir.
Yang kata wadamot lang na nakapila sina Ayman present inya. Wada na magapos ng Luis Hora Memorial Regional Hospital.
Ano pa kanta mo kasi?
Ala na ay umali si Sir. Wada. Isay grupo da. Ayan, ade man, wala ade. Pukaw yan. Sige, Luis Hura. Sino pa na namaganda na? Mankanta, mansala. Planoon na pa ilang kano. Ayan. Palakpakan ta ko nga rod.
Ay, kasapara yung mic, sir? Right? Divided, turun mic ta ko. Ba yun?
Gawin-gawin saya agsabat ako kami kamamad kanda kayo ay bababae. Congratulations nanay ay agaw ay na isang singayan ay para kanda kayo. Medyo lugi kami ay lalaki no maminsan tay mayo di kanadan Wednesday. Tay ngamin no kanuwa day Wednesday. Bumingay kayong matlaang. Tay ano mang kadawayan kayo. Well, Wednesday kadwa ni kanan yung nga bumingay kayo matlang nga maluwi kami lata uray miyod kan hasamot Wednesday. Wednesday lang. Okay, sige tagkanta kami para kada kayo. Anay di apon mi din tengay inwaras di babae siya san kantaan nyo kung kanda kami na kanan dayan na siya. Di ka na taparasin ngay kantaan. Kanan kataon mi kano, you are my best friends. Friends, okay, bayat. You please go. You please go on my finger. You brought love like the one I've never known. You gave life to our children, and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from troubled winds. You're my anchor and life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope in inspiration, you're always there. When I am angry, I could search this whole world over. You'll still be everything that I need. You're my bread. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from troubled winds. You're my anchor and life ocean, and most of all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from troubled winds. You're my anchor and life's ocean.
But most of all, you're my best friend.
Asenso! Go! Resora! Go! Okay. Extension ng Basit, si Basit ay kalik at siya ng kanakaday ay dakayunan may laming amin, siya ng kinantamyan ay dakayunan bigas mi, piksa mi. Nga nalaing talaga si Apo Diyos. Tayo di ilana ay mansasadot siya dan, insapuan as paris na. Tayo di ang tsimpo ay nakaparswana namin ay animal, nan animal katuwada ng paris na, babae kang lalaki. Ngamilan niya ay mansasadot si Adan, inyanas babae sunga dako na mga sapulan mi kunda kayo. Ya, kay kanang kinatami, you're my bread when I am hungry. Totoo sa. Tayo no mawat kami lalaki, wada kayo ay nagsasagan sa kanan may mauto. Anya ulay pa'y malabi. Ulay labi ko pumakan kayo. Nay na masya kayo mo, ay sino pinakatan nyo din. Adi tayo sa kan man palaan malun na jujut yak naman sa afternoon. No sumakan gawan di labi. Nauwawatak, man gaw siya asawa kayo man at pumakan. Mumuwi tapinan siya kanyo hana ay yang manun sila asawa mas yang arot ay dahan na umayong nakapsutak. Si kanan piksak, kanan naman. Ay adi yung managkita din, rin na pumiksa-piksa tayo. Gumagagagat na pa eh. Amon no pumakpakan kayo babae. Ito sakit. Awadan na sa ngay babae ay kanana. Abay kunayo. Ngada kayo nga lalaki kat kunayo nga sigat kami. Kunana. Medyo may basbasit kami lalaki diyan nga grupo. Babae tinagtimakdor. Kat medyo nagbalikis pa diyan babae. Abi nga kunayo nga sigat kami. Kat siya simongbat nga dagos ala listo katan niya naman diya programa dito yung kastak. Hindi ko ang kuna kasimongbat. Ay sigat kayo nga babae. Tanoy diya ospital. At dati antibiotic yo, awan ti uncle biotic me. Good? At dati mortiolit yo, awan mo ti mortiolit ni. Iso nga sikat kayo ako na, nag-answer. 75%, ay nakabababay lang. Sikat kayo nga babae, agsipot no sabon. Ano ti sabon yo, dati Nova yo, dati Perlayo, dati Irish yo. Da kami kat Mr. Clean lang. Iso nga lamang kayo. Imbagta si Mabol ni Ariel. Siya nga sikat kayo na tanga babae. Masamot na yung jay balay. At dadagit ti antina. Awan mo ti kayo bagad ang antino mi. Lamang kayo na tanga babae. Kunak nga si mong bat ti jay sa lunsod jay babae nga nang kunang apay nga kunat yung ano nga sikat na. Nga mamaya testo kayo answer na. Datayo kami kanong nga lalaki. Kunat ti asawa tayo. Ay sikat aglaba ata sikat babae. Nata kayo kanaw. Tunuman sa manan. Sikat ata ati agluto ta sikat babae. Iso nga puro sikat. Sikat lang ta ati agawir ta sikat lalaki. Ay babae ko natayo kanaw. Ya. Mamadamot tinang ipasikat iti lalaki. Tadati ko nung babae ko isuti adadal na di lalaki. Awan ti adal na. Iso nga baliktad. Ay ano sam lakay sikat ti agluto ta ni apa nak di opisina. Ay ano sam lakay sikat aglaba ta ni mapanak di opisina. Ay sikat lakay ti agawir ta siya ti mapanja kasaran. Sikat lakay ti agkota mapanak di ayat binatayan. Tangkap ng agbayaw hanggang agkanta no mapakat kasaran. Ado tinay baga naman. Nya, so nga kita tayo at paransi. No babalik kumakat sikat tayo amin. No awan ti wayan ni babae ay kat sikat ka nga lalaki mo ta. Nya ko na ni suti ko na ni Mio. Iso karak di ay bagbagan na di ako rin kaman tagawid ak isuti aramid ak mo. Kasang ko na nararami dita no mapay ko kwak ngam in full. Kato ala da jay ti mabalik kong ibingay ano pay kumang ay hang ngam ay habi ni programa nga tao so ay pinatrasta sa lang apo. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Yan, surang ka ng sir yung rin. Mapababae, mapalalaki, sikat ako amin. Yan, thank you once again, sir. Yan, Dudwani, we have here in front the Provincial Director of the DTI Mountain Province, Ma'am Mabel Bangkawan, ma'am, for your message. Palakpakan ta ko apo.
Good morning, everyone. Actually, iso nga wada kami duwanin. Actually, parparade kami buntok ngamin mali kami latasin na ba ko. Makiselebrar kanda kayo for Women's Day. Our first concern kud na ay agro-industrial fair. Umali may ay ilaan na ay na produkto tako. Second, i-launch ako na ay vacuum fried chop suey chips. But anyway, first and foremost, Happy International Women's Day. Kunda ako amin ay bababae. Uray isang lalaki. Ay ikaw nin kanandamot ay for every women's success. In Bagabagan Mayor ay mostly na regional directors inayon takusan ka retire ay regional director ng DTI si RD Juliet Palpal Lucas taga Bao Kumatlaang. So most of the women leaders regional or provincial level could puro babae. Ngam nan kananda it's na id Cordillera empowered dan bababae. Nung mamingsan pa'y kanukot, sobra ay empowered. Iso nga nanririnan si Mr. Luis Hora ay doy, apay nga bakon da apay nga made Men's Day. Totoo, I agree with that. Ay, dapat ang agpay so wada ko Men's Day isan tradition tako, isan kaugalian tako gamin, lawa, wano inayan ang kanan yun, da kami bundok at lawa. Ay man uyuyong, wano man abuse, wano man san taking advantage of women. So inayan di, isan kaugalian tako. So, isang kaigurutan, talagay empowered ng women. Talagay empowered ng women mutlaang. May dunay, daka mo isan records ng police, isan under their vowsy, no adunan cases, but mostly hankanan na lawa, wano inayan nan sinuli, manguyuyong san bababae. Yun, Happy Women's Day again to everyone. And our speaker, Happy Women's Day. Hana ay na bababae, lalalaki man, wano mababae. Happy Women's Day to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you once again, Ma'am Mabel Manggawan, the Provincial Director of DTI Mountain Province. Thank you so much, Ma'am. And at this juncture, we call here in front Mr. Gary B. Tukaki, the LTRRMO 4 and MOVE President, to introduce our very own guest speaker. Sir?
Sound check. Tablawak dat ako amin si Nimbagay Agsapa. Dalabi, i-send na staff si Insan kan kapsat ako ay our guest speaker today is background na masapolo pa ay man pormasi gari ita kagyat kaban kagyat kanang tako nga mahan accomplishment na at may paila is empowered kanya sa una empowered women. So sabay our SB members, the provincial director of the DTI, the local chief executive, our guest is bibisita ay wada may ilak isang taga Luis Hora MOVE kaman ka active na iman no is LGU MOVE. Taga.RC, amin ay bisita ay wada from the different barangays. Dawatot opinion ta ko amin is nan na puso, is nan na panakaawat kan na panagdengeg ta ko tayam amok, is nan bisita ta ko Duani. Si Ma'am Charisma Grace Kilod Ayon at anak da late Clover Kilip ay taga-Sabangan kan taga-Bangnin. Ya si Auntie Gertrude Awisan Kilip ay taga-Bauco. Nakiasawa si siya kan Jeffrey Lodayan ay anak da late Chief Nurse Carmelita Lodayan kan Jose Lodayan. Dr. Charisma Grace Lodayan is a highly accomplished academic and recognized leader in the field of criminology. She currently serves as the Dean of the School of Criminal Justice and Public Safety at the University of Baguio. Dr. Lodayan possesses a comprehensive academic profile marked by both exceptional achievement and continuous pursuit of knowledge. Notably, she distinguished herself as achieving the 8th highest rank in the 2004 criminologist licensure examinations. Her diverse educational background includes Doctor of Philosophy in Criminology, cum laude, and a Doctor of Philosophy in Developmental Education from the University of Baguio, Master of Science in Criminology from the same institution, and a Bachelor of Science in Criminology cum laude. Also, from the University of Baguio. Further, she holds the Bachelor of Secondary Education with a major in Social Science and has completed units towards a Master of Arts in College Teaching, and presently, she is engaged in doctoral studies in public administration. Her commitment to the field of criminology extends beyond academia, as evidenced by her active involvement in numerous professional organizations. She is the Regional Secretary for the Professional Criminologists Association of the Philippines, Cordillera Chapter, the Vice Chairperson of the Council of Criminal Justice Educators, Cordillera, and member of the Board of Directors for the World University Network in Innovations Leaders, a branch of the Worry Foundation, a non-stock, non-profit organization based in Korea dedicated to fostering innovation in higher education. Dr. Lodayan is also a member of the ASEAN Criminological Society, the International Association of Scientists and Researchers, and the ASEAN Qualitative Research Association. She had forged strong linkages and volunteered with both government and non-government organizations. She has appointed by the Professional Regulation Commission as a member career of the Profession in Specialization, Program, Credit Accumulation, and Transfer System Program Management Committee. She also serves as the Advisory Council for the Regional Internal Affairs Service, CAR-PNP, Anti-Cyber Crime Group Cordillera, Philippine National Police, Security and Protection Group, PNP, Drug Enforcement Group, Baguio City, Jail, Mail Dorm, and Philippine National Police Training Institute, Regional Training Center. Dr. Lodayan's career showcases exceptional leadership and academic excellence, dedication to both her profession and her community, her remarkable achievements, and span international recognition, prestigious national awards, and significant contribution to global initiatives. Mangipaila ay san bisita ko Duani, tadama san gasing na, ay ibauko sinan ituloy na, san agyod ay namnam ay napuan, ay napuanda ay si late pasado Mayor Gregorio Awisan, ay san nang idonate iman, is na naisaadan, di mo na sa piyuta ko at bauko at abatan. Nan bisita ko ay nain, pailan na, nandutuwa ay puson, di babae ay baugo, ay usay ina, ay usay kababaian at inalaw na aba, ay mailawa, san kalasata ko at munisipyo recently, ay ka-improve, ay kalasada tako at munisipyo to poblasyon, at day ay natuwis nandanan tako. Gapuis nan na, kinamayat di puso na, nagkalkaliman si siya, nagkakabsat na, ay may donar, isnan at atik ay man na pagsayaatan dili. A round of applause for that. Nationally, Dr. Ladayan was bestowed with the prestigious Dakilang Criminology Award, and also known as the Justice Felix Angelo Bautista Award, during the historic First Philippine Criminology Profession Summit and 20th PCAP National Convention. This esteemed recognition for Professional Criminologists Association of the Philippines Incorporated highlights her significant contributions to the community and criminology profession. She was also recognized as the outstanding criminologist Cordillera Administrative Region by PCAP CAR chapter. Dr. Ladayan's dedication and institutional development is evident in her recommendations for outstanding institutional development plan annual assessment. Her contributions extend to community engagement as demonstrated by the plaque of recognition for successful school-based and local communist armed conflict LCAC program from the Regional Mobile Force Battalion 15 ProCorps. She has also named Outstanding Academic Head Top 1 by the Private Education Retirement Annuity Association. And further, she received the recognition for her double-blind review of an academic article in the International Review of Social Sciences Research. Ay makaikanta ko nga taod si Dean hoping ay maaramay dan. Di kakadua ay kapulisan is na ilita ko ay bao ko. So once again, Dr. Ladayan is a prolific researcher and author with a focus of domestic violence, gender-based violence, juvenile delinquency, and forensic science. She has published numerous research and articles and books, including Reforming Youth Futures, Innovative Approach to Juvenile Justice in Baguio City, Domestic Violence Perpetrators in Jail, a comprehensive study and theories of crime, concepts, policy implications, and research focus. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Dr. Ladayan's community outreach efforts reflects holistic integrated approach to community empowerment by addressing critical areas such as public safety, health, education, and environmental sustainability. She tackles both immediate needs and long-term goals, ensuring the communities become more resilient, educated, and self-sufficient. In conclusion, Eliana Ibauco, Dr. Charisma Ladayan's distinguished career is characterized by a remarkable synthesis of academic proficiency, international leadership, and a resolute dedication to the advancement of the community welfare. Through her pioneering contributions to criminology and forensic science, coupled with her significant community outreach program that address critical areas such as public safety, education, and social well-being, Dr. Ladayan has emerged a paradigm of transformative leader. Her steadfast commitment to promoting sustainable development, mitigating societal inequalities, and empowering vulnerabilities populations has yielded the profound and enduring impact, thereby establishing her legacy as significant agent of positive change on both national and international platforms. Once again, ibauko a round of applause to our distinguished guest, Dr. Charisma Ladayan. Ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sir Gary. Or should I say, Insan? A while ago, yesterday, nandamag iman si Sir Gary tayo gayang na-send due to encryption sanday bio note ng kanak i-introduce mo tiyang guys sakon ay apon da Goryo ya si Pilang. And they still would want to read on the bio note. So first and foremost, let me acknowledge our SB members, Honorable Ashley Seeley, Sir, Honorable Patnay, Honorable Gil Lumpisa, Honorable Mario Gaocan, Honorable Auntie Edna Kapuyan. We also have, of course, Director Mabel Banggawan, Dr. Angel Magan of DOST, and of course, Manong Randy, the local chief executive of Pauco, our representatives from the healthcare department, our representatives from the different barangays, Isna Pauco, the different tribe bureau, fellow women, ladies and gentlemen, magandang bauko sa ating lahat. Malagip ko, gusto ay ungungaa. Yes, we are residing in Bontoc Mountain Province. One time, imay kami abatan. I was only grade 3 during that time. Mandiscuss the mother ko, tapos si Lulak, kananan si Lulak. Ilaan nyo, tay baka si Charisma ng sumukoy sila to. And true enough. Nansobliak. And adwani, si Maa for our beloved Pauco. So, please bear with me as I deliver some keynotes. Ay mabalin ay unreflectan tako ngamin. And since kanan na ay National Women's Month, we are having the same activity at Baguio. Na nabas theme ni is Women Trailblazers of Leadership. But I have to ask, of course, permission from our top management to be able to join you today. So, travel kami at 3:30 a.m. just to be with you here. So, first off, today, and since we are actually celebrating women, we are standing on the shoulders of giants. So, women are giants. Bakit literal ay kagansakan ay naktahuwag? Okay. We are gathered today to celebrate the strength, resilience, and extraordinary contributions of women across the Philippines and across the globe. But to truly appreciate this moment, we must remember the path we've walked, the battles fought, and the sacrifices made. So we are enjoying freedom, we are enjoying empowerment, ngamito kay na nagampon lang tuli. So for centuries, women were always relegated in the shadows. Their voices were silenced. Their potentials were also stifled. Their contributions were dismissed. During the olden times, they were denied the basic rights. The right to vote, the right to own access to education, and to control their own destinies. They were defined by their roles as wives and mothers. Although there's nothing wrong in being a mom, in being a wife. But to do that, and you just be in that particular shadow, kaga nasakta na yung mga amiris, I thank God I was not born during that time. Because I am a strong-willed person, I cannot be boxed in this particular concept. So nga, dakkel na naaramid na the women of the past. Now, if we're going to look into this one in many cultures, including our own in the Philippines, women were subjected to rigid social expectations, often trapped in the cycles of poverty and dependence. Iso nga siya di ay bimalanan, Republic Act 9262. Adi ka man obla, na adi pa oblaan lakay musika, that's actually economic abuse. Diba? Although sometimes it's also nice no, to just sit down. Adi ngan? It's also nice. In the early, in 2020, I was telling my husband around the third week of January, hanakan siya. Kagay gawis and balinay housewife. I want to feel that too. Tay, apay mo. No, I just wanted to because I started working very early at the age of 19 and never stopped until now. So kanak kagagawin sa imong bali na housewife. Kaga I wanna also experience ay mantutuod baoy, raise the kids, and then na-answeran nandi kinwanik, imali ng pandemic ngay. Imali ng pandemic, what happened? We became housewives na because adita ko mabali na bumala. And there, I realized, wow, 2 months I work from home, may boundaries na. Maiwod san me time, may ilablaban the fourth revolution. So, yun din po. That would make us realize that when we are housewives, it doesn't mean that we are any less. Actually, tayo po yung pinaka-powerful kasi endless po pala ang trabaho ng housewives. Just imagine, they have to sacrifice themselves just so they can take good care of their family. So samantalaan tako si Auni, ibalat ako amin ang uwas. Dahil siya na nadnok ay kinuha ni Dadkaw ni. So ibalat ako amin, si Auni nan amin ay uwas. Let's strip down, let's do spring cleaning, and let the men do their move. Di ba? So let's try to say move in the context of really implementing move at home. Ayun, so labas na natin lahat. Sandi comforter tako. Tadida, natudi, balat ako amin natudi. Yan. So, yun. And then of course, if we're going to look into how it all started, it was not only a social custom. If we will try to study it, when I was younger, I am a radical feminist kasi. Kaya in-study ko talaga lahat ng aspeto niyan when it comes to gender. Radical. I was a radical feminist. I was able to see that it is not only a custom. Ay no, babae ka, lawa ng kagto na, lawa ng kagto di. Right? I can remember there in Baguio Catholic High School, si Auntie May, binaiba iglulami ay pilang. Because of the custom of if you are a female, lawa ayon ka makidadaag sa another male friend. So just imagine the embarrassment of my auntie ay mababaig san ka high school na sumang-at atoy. Di ba? Now, custom custom. They hid that as a social custom. But if we will analyze that one, that is oppression. That was designed to keep women silent and be subservient only. Edwani Abels, if we will again analyze na agtantakos boses, now adita ko tumaltal na. Yes or no? Armalite takot san abugong tako. Di ba? Alarm clock nan anan akta ko ng boses tako mothers, di ba? Correct. So, a spark was ignited. Women began to rise. Lumabas na po yung mga suffragists, mga activists natin, mga trailblazers who dared enough to challenge the status quo. Ito na po yung feminist movement. Since we talk about International Women's Month, dapat maawatan tako, no, as ano ba na di journey tako? Because here we keep on talking about empowerment. Kanina, ilang beses ko nang narinig yung empowerment. Kanina, narinig ko din maraming beses yung equality. Ayan. But did we try to reflect into kay na nalpuan dato na? So let's try to study, since it's International Women's Day, what's the history behind it? So it came in waves. The first wave, 19th to 20th century sa. It was the first battle for basic rights. Basic rights. Why? Women before were excluded from politics, property ownership, and barred from education. Nag-trap na bababae is na domestic roles, and their voices were silent. Their voices were silenced, I mean. However, we have brave women. Wada ka si Susan Anthony, we have Elizabeth Stanton. We also have our very own in the Philippines, Jose Vallanes Escoda. They refused to be silenced. They endured being arrested.